Greetings and welcome to the Agile Store Locator plugin. In this video, I'll show you how to create a store detail page for each of your stores. And this page can be used to display various information about each of your store. So let's get started. Let's head over to WordPress first and take a look at the Manage Store section on Agile Store Locator. So let's just take a look at the store details which are entered on a store. So these are the details which will appear on the store detail page. This includes the title, the country, the state, store timings, and so much more. So now let's head over to ASL settings on Agile Store Locator. We'll head over to the detail page tab over here. So we just need to get these two pieces of information, the store page slug and the number ID. So let's get this. So assuming you have a store locator widget already installed, similar to this one, the next thing you need to do is to create a new page. So go to pages, click on add page, and then we'll give the page a name that indicates that this is a store detail page. So let's call it more information. Once that is done, you will simply add the shortcode ASL_store. Once the shortcode is added, click on publish and copy this number over here in the URL. Head back to ASL settings and paste it over here. Next, we need to get the store page slug. Go back to the page which we just created. Copy this URL over here, paste it here. Then copy just this part of the URL, which is the page slug. Copy this, head back to ASL settings and paste it over here. Once that is done, we can click on Save Settings. Also make sure that the website link type is set to page slug. And once these settings have been saved, simply come down here and click on Save Changes from a link. Scroll down here and click on Save Changes. Once that is done, let's head back to the store locator template and refresh the page. Now once you hover the mouse over the website button, you will notice that a URL will appear here with the page slug which we just entered. So click on this button here and you will be taken to the store details page like this one over here. Now you can also render each element one by one. So let's just take a look at this document over here. The link for this document will be made available. So by entering the shortcode ASL store field equals to map, you can render just the map. And by replacing map with any of these field names over here, you can add each element one by one. So now let's add just the title, the map, and the country to the store detail page. Let's head back to the page which we just created. And I'll just adjust the shortcode here. And then I'll copy this and paste it twice. And since now we'll just change the title to map. And in this title, we'll just change it to country. So now that by doing so, just the title, map, and country of the store will appear on the store details page. And by doing so, you can customize the store detail page as you wish. So now let's click on save. Head back to the store detail page, and now let's refresh the page. And as you can see, just the title, the map, and the country is now on the store detail page. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.